Now we're getting into like the crowded areas. So we got Bali's, we've got Paris. We've stayed there but haven't done a video.
Mm-hmm. And we'll tell you why. We'll tell you why about that later. Okay, so that clip was from our Deuce bus ride down the strip in Las Vegas a couple vlogs ago. And I guess it's time to explain what actually happened to the long lost footage of our stay at Paris, Las Vegas. So, to simply put it, it was audio issues. Our mic packs were acting up and the sound was distorted and non-existing most of the time. But we've decided to not let the footage go to waste. We usually do a full series with several videos, but here's a little something of our audio failed stay at Paris, Las Vegas. But first.
Hey guys, I'm Scott.
And I'm Justin.
And guess what?
We living for love!
Well, hello. Join us in our suite.
This is an executive suite, a Burgundy executive suite, that is.
But like every one of their rooms is called Burgundy, so
And there are no Burgundy colors in here.
Yeah, I don't know where they're coming up with the name Burgundy.
Yeah, help us out.
Comment below.
Enough for Scott's board thoughts and your board thoughts. Next time on Justin's Pressing Thoughts.
I wanna be young, I wanna be alive. Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my team is trying to say what's up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do it again 3, 4 times. Cause it's better than a dream highway with young lean. I will never get enough. So high, what a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind.
Cheers to that show.
Here's that show.
Yes.
We are here at Mon Ami Gabi.
Everybody dance, don't stop. I just need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And I love what I feel.
Oh yes, two words. Spiked chocolate, 3 words. Spiked chocolate milk. And what how,
And 1 word, vodka.
I know less about balance. With you, I'll be flying while falling. And nobody can see us. Our love is so unkind. We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding? Kidding. We can pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. 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 We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump into the rhythm. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Only you move me to the rhythm. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true.
What?
Only you move me to the rhythm.
Till next time, cheers. Hey, Talon.
right? You want to see that?
You know the drama.
What the fuck was that?
Art.